नई दिल्ली 11 जुलाई 2025। भारत मंडपम के भव्य प्रांगण में आज हुआ इंडिया हेल्थ एग्जीबिशन 2025 के दूसरे संस्करण का शानदार शुभारंभ। इन्फोर्मा मार्केट्स इन इंडिया द्वारा आयोजित ये 3 दिवसीय आयोजन 13 जुलाई तक चलेगा। एक ऐसा मंच जो भारत के तेजी से बढ़ते हेल्थ केयर और मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजी सेक्टर की दिशा और संभावनाओं को नई पहचान दे रहा है। इस वर्ष एक्सपो लौटा है और भी अधिक ऊर्जा, नवाचार और सहयोग की भावना के साथ। लक्ष्य है ज्ञान साझा करना, व्यापारिक रिश्तों को मजबूत करना और स्वास्थ्य सेवाओं में तकनीक के उपयोग को नई ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाना। आज जब भारत का हेल्थ टेक सेक्टर एक अभूतपूर्व विस्तार के द्वार से गुजर रहा है, तो यह अनुमान लगाया जा रहा है कि वित्त वर्ष 2025 से 26 में इस क्षेत्र में नौकरियों में 15 से 20% की वृद्धि होगी। ये सिर्फ आंकड़े नहीं हैं, ये भविष्य की उस तस्वीर के संकेत है जहां तकनीक और चिकित्सा साथ मिलकर बनाएंगे एक स्वस्थ भारत।
Ecosystem to make components, raw materials, equipments, machinery are the next steps forward to make a resilient industry in India, and then we can have affordable and accessible healthcare based on affordable and accessible medical devices made in the country over here. And our job is to serve you all. Welcome to ask any questions and we are here to serve you. Thank you.
Thanks to Informa Markets for organizing India Health 2.0. I was also a part of India Health 1, and now I could see the growth and the magnitude and the way India Health has grown in the next version itself. So AHPI, Association of Healthcare Providers, we represent majority of healthcare institutions in the country. We have 20,000 hospitals as our members, and we operate through 20 functional regional state chapters. This is the bandwidth, the reach we have in our country, and this association, with the Informa Market, we have been the association partner with Informa Market for this event, India Health, and this is a great opportunity, a great platform. So my request to each one of you participating in this event is to leverage the opportunity to explore business, innovation, policy, academia, networking, and collaboration. So my best wishes to India Health, and thank you very much.
I think what Dr. Sharma, Dr. Gyani and Rajiv ji just mentioned, we have to leverage India as the strongest medtech hub. हम आज एशिया में perhaps 4th and 5th सबसे strongest medtech hub है. Globally हम लोग first 20 में आते हैं. And honestly, with this kind of pace, with the kind of policies that are now blooming, this is something which can take us to become amongst the first top 3 medical devices hub, possibly before 2047 in any case, but yes, by 2030, 2040, we will be amongst the top. So I congratulate not only the government, but it's also a congratulatory moment for Informa Markets, as both Dr. Sharma and Rajiv ji said. Such kind of events actually help to underscore the kind of technology advancements that we've had, the kind of resilience that we've been able to really provide to the healthcare sector, and we're moving more and more. आज supply chains की अगर हम बात करें तो even supply chain resilience में भी भारत अग्रणी स्थान पे है.